Hello, everybody. It's good to have you here again. And once again, I'm going to be talking from my new book, Beyond Intelligence, The Simple Practice of Staying Relevant. Now, I want to read something here. And if you have the book already, it's on page 54, where I talk about a company like Japanese hotel, Hoshiryokan, has been in existence since 718 AD and is still in business today. If you think that is old, then consider Nishiyama Onsen Keonkan, which is a hot spring hotel in Hayakawa in Japan. It was founded in 705 AD and it is still in business today. The Antinori family is an Italian family that has been producing wine since 1385. So, we live in an era where a lot of businesses will not celebrate their 5th birthday. You know, and then we've seen big companies collapse after a few decades. What is it that keeps you relevant? Bill Gates said something again. This is page 55. In his book, Business at the Speed of Thought, I quoted from there. He said, in 3 years, every product my company makes will be obsolete. The only question is whether we'll make them obsolete or somebody else will. One day, somebody will catch us napping. One day, an eager upstart will put Microsoft out of business. I just hope it's 50 years from now, not 2 or 5. Now, the interesting thing about this quote is that even if the product continues doing well for 10 years, in the minds of the creators, it died after 3 years. And as such, they are on their feet working on new value to ensure long-term sustainability and relevance. So this goes beyond demand and supply. A product may still be in demand, but has to be killed off to give way to more cutting-edge technology, thus giving the company or product or the individual a more dominant position. Before I talk more about this, page 103, Jeff Bezos says Amazon, and Jeff Bezos is the wealthiest man in the world. I hear his net worth, last time I checked, was on Friday or so, $110 billion. Jeff Bezos said, Amazon is not too big to fail. In fact, I predict one day Amazon will fail. Amazon will go bankrupt. If you look at large companies, their lifespans tend to be 30 plus years, not 100 plus years. If we start to focus on ourselves instead of focusing on our customers, and I want to repeat that, if we focus on ourselves rather than focusing on our customers, that means if our focus is internal and not on the value we bring, that will be the beginning of the end. We have to try to delay that day for as long as possible. So the truth is this: nobody is too big to fail. No company is too big to fail. But what do you need to keep doing? You need to keep recreating yourself. You need to keep asking yourself, what is the value that I'm bringing to the table? The table being your society, a time in history. What is the value you are bringing? Because if the value you are bringing is diminishing, then your relevance is not guaranteed. And for you to ensure that your value is not diminishing, you have to continue to expose yourself. You know, a lot of our decision making is based on, actually all our decision making is based on our exposure. You are not more enlightened than what you have seen, what you have read, or what you have heard about. So it is important you continue to look at yourself. What is the impact of my life? What is the impact? What is the value I'm bringing to society? Is my absence going to make a difference? Because where we want to be is where we are making such an impact. You know, everybody is born the same. That means everybody is born, with 2 eyes, 2 ears, and all that. Now, what are you going to do with what you were born with? Because at the end of the day, nobody is remembered because they were present. Nobody is remembered just because they were born. People are remembered because of the impact they made while they were alive. So if you want to continue to be a person of impact, you have to continue to watch what you hear, your exposure, and all that. You have to. And you know what? Relevance is not guaranteed. Relevance is not going to happen because you are very brilliant. Relevance is not going to happen because you are very rich. Relevance is not going to happen because, you come from a great family. Relevance is a function of impact. Impact is a function of civilization. And what is civilization? It is making the best of the resources available to you at any point in time. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you share this with other people and subscribe to this channel. God bless you.